If you're wanting to build your dream home in Dripping Springs, but you're not sure which builder or which neighborhood is the right match, I'm going to show you why Drees Custom Homes in Caliterra could be the perfect fit. It's all about the location, the larger lot sizes, and luxury finishes. And make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video because I'm going to tell you about 2 other luxury builders in the area that you might explore as well. Drees Custom Homes is a 4th generation builder with over 95 years of experience. Yep, that's correct, 95 years. They've built a national reputation for combining luxury design with family functionality. And here in Caliterra, they're doing something a little different, and honestly, it's worth a closer look. So the #1 complaint I get from my clients who are relocating here from out of state is how small our lot sizes are. They just feel like in all the new construction communities, the builders pack those homes in as tightly as possible. And they're right. A lot of the communities have lot sizes that are only 50 feet across, so the homes feel narrower and you're only about 10 feet away from your next door neighbors. But in Caliterra, Drees is building on 70-foot up to 110-foot lots. So think big front porches, oversized garages, and backyards that back up to green spaces rather than a neighbor's fence. Those larger lot sizes aren't found in most master plan communities around here. So if you love having a private backyard with room for your family, you can definitely transform these yards into something special. Another thing that really stands out about Drees is how customizable their homes are. We're not talking about just picking out cabinets and countertops. Drees is truly a custom builder that gives you real flexibility in their floor plans. So if you want to extend your outdoor living space, move walls, or tweak a layout to better fit your family's lifestyle, they can actually make it happen. And that's something that most production builders will not do at all. Their design center also has the latest trends and so many more options to create a home that is unique to you. And you can just see a huge difference in the quality of the finish out on their floors, their counters, tile work, appliances, and lighting. It's just more luxury and higher end than other builders in the area. This model home in Caliterra is the Linmar 2 floor plan, which is one of their more popular 2-story designs, and it is absolutely stunning inside and out. And then there's Caliterra itself. If you haven't been out to this neighborhood, you definitely need to come. This isn't your typical master plan community. You are really surrounded by nature. Onion Creek runs right through the neighborhood. There's over 250 acres of open space with mature trees, walking trails, and even a private fishing dock. It feels like a retreat, but you're still just minutes from downtown Dripping Springs and about 30 to 40 minutes to downtown Austin. There's also a resort-style pool, a coffee shop, a community event barn, and brand new amenities coming in the next phase. Families love the vibe here. It's just really laid back, outdoorsy, and it's also part of the highly rated Dripping Springs ISD, including the brand new Cypress Springs Elementary. Prices start around $900,000 for a smaller size home on a smaller lot, up to about $1.3, $1.4 million for a large home on an estate-sized lot. Now those numbers might seem big, but when you look at what you get out here with Drees and Caliterra compared to other neighborhoods, as far as the customization options, the larger lot sizes, the unique setting, you can see why it's worth that price point. Now, I will warn you that this phase of the neighborhood is almost sold out. There are some remaining inventory homes and lots to build on in 2025, but those will be selling out fairly soon. But in 2026, a new phase of the neighborhood is opening that is called the Ranch at Caliterra. Drees is going to be one of 3 builders in that area, so there will be lots of opportunities coming soon. So if you love the luxury look and feel of Drees, but you don't want to be as far out as Caliterra, here's a couple other options you might explore. In Parton Ranch, Highland Homes is building on 80-foot lots. They make a beautifully designed home. This is a much smaller community, but it's a little closer to Austin and still has a beautiful setting. And in Headwaters, Toll Brothers is also building luxury homes. Now, both of those communities are closer into Austin, but still zoned for Dripping Springs. Now, before you go out and visit those sales centers, make sure you contact me first. My team specializes in new construction sales, so we can help you negotiate at any sales center. So if you're looking for a custom feel without all the headaches of building a truly custom home in a neighborhood that actually feels like the hill country, Drees and Caliterra is worth exploring. Whether you're relocating, upsizing, or just looking for something more peaceful, this could be the upgrade you've been dreaming about. I'd love to know what questions you have about Caliterra or Drees. Drop a comment below and be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out some of our other Dripping Springs neighborhood tours.